Ramazan, also known as Ramadan, is a very special time for Muslims all around the world. It's the 9th month in the Islamic calendar, and during this month, people who follow Islam do something extraordinary called fasting. Fasting means they don't eat or drink anything from dawn until sunset. But why do they fast, you might ask? Well, fasting is a way to show kindness and respect to Allah, which is what Muslims call God. It's also a chance to reflect on themselves and think about those who have less food and water. In the morning, before the sun rises, families gather for a meal called Suhoor. This meal is super important because it gives them the energy to last through the day without eating. It's a time where everyone shares stories and laughter before the sky turns a bit lighter. Once the sun sets, it's time for Iftar, the meal that breaks the fast. It's like a mini celebration every day where families feast on delicious food. Imagine this: dates, soups, bread, fruity drinks, and much more. Everyone is excited and grateful to fill their bellies after a long day. There's another fascinating part of Ramazan, which is called Taraweeh. After their evening prayer, Muslims perform this special prayer in the mosque. When Ramazan ends, there's a joyful festival called al-Fitr. Ramazan teaches everyone, both kids and grown-ups, the importance of gratitude, discipline, and empathy.